Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood and you are watching the Shopify course. So here you can see the client website that we are using as a reference to build a successful Shopify online store that can generate up to 5 million US dollars. This store generated 5 million in like 2-3 years, you can see. So let's move forward with the course and start our next topic. So here we are in our new store that we are building. So in this video I will tell you how you can add products to your Shopify homepage. So as you know that I have already uploaded the products, like if you are following my course, you know that I have already provided a CSV. Through that you can upload some sample products, and I have uploaded those sample products in my store. We can go to the products. So here you can see the products. So now let's see how we can add these products to our homepage. So for that we will go to the online store, and here we will click on this customize button. Let me just zoom a bit out so I can see the left sidebar, right sidebar. So here we can scroll down, and here you can see we have a featured collection, and now we are going to add 3 new product section for each of these categories. So let's scroll down, and here we will click on add section, and we can click on featured collection over here, and here we will select the collection that we want to show. So let's select Adidas, and here you can see we can also change these titles. And now let's click on add section again, and this time we can name, and this time search for tiger, and we can name it. And let's click on add section again, and now select Converse. So after saving the changes, just click on view button, and here scroll down, and here you can see the products now. So if we have more than 4 products, then it automatically shows this view all button, and when we will add new products to this collection, then 4 of them will show over here, and the more ones will show when we click on this view all button. So that's it for this video. In the next video we will see how we can add a video on our homepage or on our Shopify store anywhere. So that also helps in conversion, like we can add a product showcasing video. So subscribe to my channel and like this video. Leave a comment if you have any question or have any recommendation. So that's it for the video. See you next time.